Hey everyone! If you're tuning in today, you're probably looking to find out how seniors can boost their recovery through diet. Well, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the 9 must-have foods for seniors that can speed up recovery and healing. First up, let's dive into vegetables. These aren't just your average side dish, they're a powerhouse of carbohydrates, crucial during recovery to combat fatigue and keep your energy up. Think carrots, broccoli, and sweet potatoes. These veggies are not only nutritious, but also help reduce constipation, which can be a big issue when you're less mobile. Next, we cannot overlook healthy fats. Foods like avocados and nuts aren't just tasty, they're essential. They help absorb vitamins and boost your immune system, protecting you from further illness. And did I mention they can aid in wound healing too? The vitamin E in these fats is great for your skin. Proteins are next on our list. As we age, our bodies need adequate protein to repair damaged muscles. Options like poultry, eggs, and tofu are fantastic, especially if you find tougher meats hard to chew. Eggs deserve a special mention. They're a superfood for recovery. Packed with vitamins and minerals, they're easy to prepare, ensuring you can maintain a nutritious diet even without much help around the kitchen. Don't forget about dark leafy greens. Foods like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins that help with blood clotting and energy boosting. Not to mention, they're full of fiber and other minerals. Fruits are your friends too. They provide vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, which are all crucial for healing. Incorporating fruits like oranges and berries into your diet can also increase collagen levels, essential for developing new skin and muscle tissues. Instead of reaching for simple carbs, opt for whole grains like quinoa or whole wheat to keep your energy levels up and support bowel health. Remember, the last thing you want during recovery is muscle breakdown due to a lack of energy. Probiotics are often overlooked but are vital for digestion and fighting infections. Foods like yogurt and sauerkraut can help restore the gut balance that might be disrupted by medications during your recovery. Last, but certainly not least, water. Staying hydrated is essential since dehydration can seriously hinder your recovery process. Make sure to drink plenty of fluids to support all cellular functions and muscle activities. While we're focusing on what to eat, it's also important to know what foods to avoid. Steer clear of added sugars, highly processed foods, and alcohol, as these can slow down your recovery, mess with your energy levels, and even impact how well your medications work. Eating right, especially during recovery, is more than just about keeping hunger at bay. It's about nourishing your body and giving it the tools it needs to heal. So, make sure you're eating well and taking care of yourself. Here's to a speedy recovery. Stay nourished, and I'll catch you in the next video.